Rita had $300. She spent 1/3 of her money on clothes. Let's actually just start with that part of the problem right there. 1/3 of her money. There's your keyword of again. So 1/3 times her money. 1/3 times $300, which remember you're going to do 300 over 1. I see that the 3 and the 300 would reduce. You should get used to doing this at this point. So I'm going to cross out the 3, make it a 1, cross out the 300, and make it 100 because 3 goes into 300 100 times. Cross multiply, I see on the bottom is just going to be 1, so this will be a whole number. 100 times 1 is $100. Now, this is where it gets a little bit confusing because it's not 1/3 of that amount there. It's not 1/4 of that amount. It's 1/4 of the remainder of her money. So you have to think about how much is remaining. She had 300 to begin with. She spent 100. So spent, I got to think about what kind of operation that would be. That would be subtraction. So she spent 100 of that money. So how much does she have left to work with here? It would be 200. Okay, from here, now we do the second part of that, which is 1/4 of her money. So let me clear that out. So now she's got 200 left. 1/4 of the remainder is spent on stationary items. So now I have to do 1/4 of 200. 1/4 times 200. The 4 and the 200 would cancel. If that confuses you, just think about it with just the 20. 4 goes into 25 times, so just add a 0. So right here, 4 would go into 200 50 times. 50 times 1 is 50. Now, some of you may have gotten that far and said, well, yeah, that's what I put, 50. The question is, how much does she have left? Well, her original remainder was 200. Now she just spent another 50 on stationary items. So how much does she have left? $150.